Well, hello, my friends, and welcome back to More with Marquita. So, I don't know how I'm just now finding out about butterfly cloche, but they were actually a hot home decor item this year. So, I was gonna buy this one that I saw for 17.97 on sale at Lowe's, but I decided I'm like, I got the material at home. I can just do something on my own. So I had Dollar Tree clothes. I guess I already had them in my closet, and I took some contact paper that I had, and I just cut out each part of the bottom lid with the contact paper stickers and just placed it there. Here lately, I've been using a lot of contact paper to make sure all of my home decor is in unison. So I'm using some black marble that I had. I really like using contact paper because it can transform your room in any way that you want it. So I'm just gonna let you all enjoy. I'm gonna first use the contact paper to color the bottom lid, and then I'm gonna spray paint my butterflies. These things are actually cool because you can use a cloche to put any decoration in the inside to match your home decor. I'm actually going to be making more of these for Christmas, and I can't wait to show you all what I came up with. But I'm going to allow you all to enjoy the video and see how I did my first butterfly cloche. I want to thank you all so much for watching. I love you all so much, and I'll see you in the next one.